the little petals. Draw a curved line below the flower petals. And then make the bigger petals. Draw the flower stem. And draw a smaller flower. Next, make a base color. The darker color. Color the center of the sunflower. Give the darker color. Color the stem and the leaf. The darker color, adding the detail on the flower. Give the highlight color for definition. You can change the color line if you want.